All right, let's check the weekend forecast.
Here's Ed Hanna.
Thanks so much. Yeah, officially 1.1 inches of snow, Lehigh Valley International Airport. I know at my house I had about an inch, and depending on where you happen to be, somewhere, I think most folks in that ½ inch to an inch, inch and a half. But there were some places, higher elevations further to the south, that approached 2 or 3 inches of snow, where there were best bands banding, and we were showing that live every 15 minutes, watching that Doppler radar together. 31 degrees our daytime high, low this morning. 21 as you take a look at some of the weather headlines here. Glancing blow from coastal storm. There's no question that not far. You don't have to get in your car and travel far to see some good snowfall here. I think as you head towards the Jersey Shore, Cape May, Wildwood, Avalon, I think you're going to be talking about good amounts of snow, whether it ends up being 3 to 6, 4 to 8 inch amounts. There's going to be a healthy snowfall there along the coast. And then as you get inland, because it is going to hug the coast, you're going to see rapid cutoffs. And we'll show you that here just a second. Weekend feels certainly like teens at best, very cold air, but some moderation as far as temperatures get into next week. Take a look, folks skiing, enjoying Blue Mountain, 27 degrees, but feels like 19 right now. That wind out of the west, 8 miles an hour, making it feel quite a bit cooler. All right, temperature trend next several days. Looking like we're going to be talking about very cold over the weekend, but some moderation as we get into next week. This is important because some precipitation may arrive here on Tuesday as a wintry mix before mixing with rain possible Tuesday night, perhaps staying in wintry mix, and then rain on Wednesday. So it's something we're going to have to watch till the middle part of the week. Clearly, you see the corridor of moisture. We're going to watch. There's going to be a sharp gradient cutoff as far as that precipitation is concerned. National Weather Service has issued some winter weather advisories further off to the south. I suspect winter storm warnings. You'll see them going up as we go through the next several hours. So take a look. Future SatRad put this into motion. There it is. Look at that sharp cutoff right there. And the models have toggled back and forth, and there still continues to be some model differences as far how far north does that western shield make it. No question, the further south and east you go, there's no doubt about it. That's where you're going to see the heaviest snowfall. The big question is, and Mark and I have been talking all day long about where we see that northern fringe. Here's what the models are suggesting for the Lehigh Valley area. You can get a sense here. European is the most bullish, GFS, NAM, suggesting that there is a little bit of snow, perhaps in the form of snow showers or a period of light snow, and it would have to really occur from 7 a.m. to perhaps 3, 4 in the afternoon, because after that you're really outside of that window. So at this point in time you can see little or no accumulation really northwestern and northern parts of Berks County, Lehigh Valley. You do have that coating right down through the Lehigh Valley, parts of Allentown, Berks County. 1 inch better chance as you get closer to Philadelphia, the big cities. You see 1 to 3 inch amounts there. 3 to 6 though stretching from the southern Jersey Shore all the way out onto Long Island. So we're going to have to watch this carefully and see the exact track is going to really determine who sees what. 18 partly to mostly cloudy, cold winds out of the northwest. 28 degrees, limited sun for most of our area, especially north and west. Little or no accumulation. It could be a coating to an inch, perhaps, especially southern parts of the Berks-Lehigh Valley area. But I think, you know, the coating is probably a little better chance. Shifts 50 miles off to the east, we get nothing. That's basically as simple as that. 50 miles to the west, we could get that coating to the inches more likely. So we're going to have to watch it. But there's no question the further south and east you go, you're going to be talking about pretty significant accumulations of snow here, plowable. And getting into Sunday, look at the cold air reinforcements getting in. Monday, 28, some wintry mix, maybe a combination of snow, sleet, freezing rain on Tuesday. That could change over to rain Tuesday night, and then periods of rain on Wednesday. Look at moderation in temperatures, maybe back to 50 by Wednesday.
All right.
So very, very important to stay tuned for updates on this coastal storm.
Very good.
All right.
Thanks, Ed.
Stay warm this weekend.